How to view WhatsApp status without opening. So if you want to view the WhatsApp status without opening, then what you need to do is first open up your WhatsApp application and then go with the updates option, which is on the bottom left, and here you will have your status, right? So in order to view the status, without opening, then you just need to simply go with the status, which is on the upper side or on the lower side of the status that you would like to view. So here I don't have that statuses, right? So for example, I'll be choosing Instagram. It's the same thing. So you can simply open up your WhatsApp, go with your status, and here on the upper side you can see all of these status or stories, right? So if you want to view someone's story, so if you want to view this middle person's story, then what you need to do is you just need to simply view the story in front of it or the back of it. So I'll be choosing the front story, and what you need to do is you just need to simply swipe right. Like you just need to simply swipe like this. Once you swipe, then you will be able to view that person's story. You can simply swipe and you can go back and you can see that the person's story has not been viewed. So in the same way, you can view your WhatsApp status without opening. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.